which I'm going to give you over here. There are certain indicators which I put over here, but to this training sessions, I will be covering this. What is a sell indicator? These are the certain indicators which I will be telling you. So this is just a test purpose which I'm using. So consider this as a back testing which I'm doing over here. So I just bought like 100 of this share, which is around the price of 224120, and I bought that. So this is what my buying price, 2241. So you can see this. Okay, now how the grid works, and might be you may think that this is what you may have this experience in the past also. So we'll see to it how it works. So I will just click on this next one. So as you can see that the first month I got already around 6.86%. You can see over here. So this candle, if I just click on over here, so I'm getting this 6.86%. So 1 month the rate of interest, which is ROI, which I got very nice over here. Okay, after having these indicators like a buy signal and the previous around he's breaking his previous higher high, and I can take my decision to buy over here. Now next candle, we'll see to it how it works. Even the next candle also given me around 7.89%. So almost 2 months I got around 13% of interest, or 13 or 14%. Now it shoots, and I'm just waiting. I'm just sitting in this trend and to see that, because I haven't got any kind of sales indicator. But if I don't have this study plans or nothing, and I just simply enter this journey, so I don't know when to sell this particular, because sellers, the indicator is not yet come, so I'm not going to sell that. Okay, but what if you're following the greediness, or if you're just holding on this particular part over here, and let me just calculate that I have entered over here, and almost last 7 months I got near about, I would say, just 1 minute, I'll show you that. So almost last 7 months I got 34.90, so almost 35% of ROI which I got over here. Now this is very important to understand. Market has given you this rally, okay, at least 35%. So the moment you enter, you had the plan, you had discipline, you have executed that. But the moment you reach over here, okay, now already market has given you almost 35%. Now it's up to you whether you want to stay back or you want to exit. Okay, so but there are few greedy persons, or in the market also, what we do over here, we wait, we see to it that we want more. So next month also we got almost a good hike over here. Okay, if I see almost 204 days, I got almost 33%, which is also nice. Okay, let me check more. Now I already got the sell indicator. Now suppose this indicator is not showing you over in your trading, so you don't know whether you need to come back or exit the routine. Okay, so due to the greediness, what we think that over here also it went down and again it went up. So this is what my strategy, this is what they may think, that I went down over here, then again the buying signal, and I got very nice rally over here, these three candles which you can see over here. So they might be thinking in that way. But if you see, the first month I got somewhere around 27% of loss. Okay, very importantly, that person has to understand that now he's in confused, because he doesn't have this indicator knowledge, nothing. He's just thinking about, I bought around this level to now it went to almost 3400 or 3500, and now again it has come to 2631. Okay, so in that situation he has no idea, and this is what happening in every story. Okay, almost 60-70% or 80%, they have this trap. Okay, they just understand that even at this particular position I was almost 53%, But now after couple of 2 or 3 months later, I'm in the minus position of 5.97. So previously I was in the profit, almost 50% of profit. Now I'm in the loss of 5.6% of ROI, which is the I'm getting the minus amount over here, which you can see. Okay, further, if he doesn't take the decision or he just double down his quantity or something like that, so market over here, what it does, it will give you one chance where you can exit it. But over here again, he may think that he doesn't have any kind of indicators knowledge, so he will be trapped over there. And finally, as you can see, he will sell somewhere over here, which you can see the final loss of his that particular person is facing almost 35% of loss. So if he would have invested 100%, almost 22 lakhs somewhere, 22 2 lakhs 20 2 lakhs 20,000 over here for 100 stocks. So out of that, almost 35% or 36% he has lost. Now tell me, this is what the silent killer. This is what I'm saying, that because of the greed, because of his, he has not followed a discipline, he's getting this kind of pain. So hope you understand today's section, and see you in the next lecture and with the new topic. So I'll be covering over there. Thank you very much.